Alright, so in this video I'll be showing how to create a token pocket account. Alright, so when you enter your token pocket, this is the first thing you're going to see. Now to create an account, you click on this no account. Alright, you click on no account and then you click on Polygon MATIC. You click on Polygon MATIC, and the next thing is to create a wallet. You create a wallet, and then here you can set a name for your wallet. Right, you can set a name for your wallet. And then you put a password. So it's 8 password. Yes, 8 password. Alright, so here you can put a hint so you can't forget your password. You can put a hint so you don't forget password, and then you click on this, you mark on this. Alright, and then you create a wallet. You scroll down. Understood. Now in the next page you are going to see a 12 words which you are not to share with anyone. Alright, you are not to share with anyone, but I'll be sharing it with you in this video because this is a tutorial video. We're sharing it with you because this is a tutorial video, but you should never share it with anyone. Alright, so after clicking on this, you click on generate, and then this is your 12 words. Now you have to write these words down. Right, you have to write them down because in the next page you are going to set it accordingly. Right. Alright, so after copying it down, you can click on this copy secret phrase to save it. You can copy it. Alright, so after that you click on backup complete, and now you have to set it in order. Alright, you have to set it in order. Alright, then confirm, and then after that you then just have to create. Now your wallet is ready. Your wallet is ready. Now after creating the wallet, you click on this plus sign to add your DAI. You click here, and then you search for DAI. Alright, this is the DAI, but in case you didn't see it, you have to click here. Click on this up. Click here to search for DAI. Right, so you click on the plus to add it, and then this is your wallet. Alright, thank you.